mQuest is a company dedicated to development of products to satisfy the necessities of the mobile operators in its core network. We develop systems like the voicemail system or SMS systems, or also the roaming manager products to coordinate different kind of roaming properties. And of course, one of our main products is to provide the information to the terminals by the network. In this last case, it's called the Device Manager. We need the information about all the terminals in the market. So the GSMA is providing us with that kind of information in order to know the operation system like Android or iOS, or the special facilities that the terminal have, and we provide to the terminals through the mobile operator network. Drawing on the detailed and comprehensive data in the GSMA's device map, the solution enables operators to see which devices are capable of every network feature that the mobile operator have, as voice over LTE or the rich communication system. As a result, the operators provide customers with services that are very specific and dedicated to their handset, of course providing a better overall experience. With the GSMA device map data, the solution can now determine which devices are capable of supporting the voice over LTE specification, allowing customers to make voice calls over the data package network instead of the circuit network. Okay. As a result, the operator can now match the VoLTE capacity in its network to the capacity of its device. So I know the devices can use the VoLTE interface, and now I know and can provide in the network with this information. That means that it can avoid to paying too much money with license fees to the VoLTE vendor. Okay, the license fee is dependent on the number of subscribers that we provision on the database, and if we provision all the devices, we pay a lot of money. But if I provision only the devices that I know that they have VoLTE capacities, and then pay money that is very is cost effective. So the GSMA map help us to pay the right amount of money to the VoLTE vendor. Our solution is used to send the APN, access point name, to the subscriber. Okay, so when a new subscriber appears on the network, we provide the APN automatically to the subscriber in order to allow that the subscriber can surf over the internet. Okay, in case of, for instance, in mQuest providing platform to Telefónica Mexico, they processes an order of 180,000 of APN configuration per day. Another issue that is very useful for the mobile operators is that when we discover a new subscriber on the network, with the GSMA information, we know what kind of facilities that the subscriber have. So we inform immediately to the marketing area the capacities of the new terminal that appears in the network, so they can make some kind of marketing campaigns depending on the features that the mobile terminal have, especially if they have some kind of capacities like very easy high speed for the data, or if it's IoT terminal, they can ignore any campaign and things like that. One of the main purpose for the future is to discover what kind of IoT terminal we have in the mobile operators network. When I discovered that with information of the GSMA that the new terminal is really an IoT, the marketing and the commercial areas know that and can provide special features for this kind of terminals, like less latency or anything. So it will be a very useful feature in the future to help the operators to grow up in that kind of services.